How to redeem and use One4all gift card online. Hi guys, if you're wondering if you need help on redeeming those gifts, in this video we are going to teach you how. So let's just dive right in. So for that, you can open up One4all in your device. You can go to the website one4all.com. Once you are here, it needs to verify the device first, and once it is verified, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So what you need to do next is you can go ahead and purchase gift card from here. You can go ahead and redeem those gift cards. For example, we have this free gift card right now. So what you need to do is you can just go ahead and select the card, redeem it from here, the code that you are looking for. Once it is added to cart, what you need to do is you can scroll down and you should be finding option that says where to spend. So there are different retailers available where you can spend the gift card to. You can tap on this where to spend section and you can go to this view retailers option. So here are different popular retailers option here, like this Argos, IKEA, New Look, John Lewis, and everything. So what you're gonna do is simply head over to one of the retailers, and once you are here, so what you need to do is from the retailers option, you need to go to the retailers with the arrow icon at the top of their logo. So if those retailers have this arrow icon, that means you can use the One4all redeem card. But for example, Clark's, Cuddy's, Halfords don't have those arrows. We can't use the gift card here. So what you need to do is head over to the website. For example, Argos. After that, you can just go ahead and purchase the item. And when you are going on with the payment method from the particular website, you need to go ahead and use that card, the code that you have just purchased from One4all. Once that is done, that is it for now. So that is how you basically use One4all gift card, redeem, and everything. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.